Giraffetools Grand Falls Pressure Washer Pro is a really cool product. They developed this really awesome pressure washer with 100-foot auto-retracting hose that you can wall-mounted. So the first thing I want to do is start trying to dig it into this and see what all I need to connect to make this thing work. So assembling the one is pretty simple. You simply take the two ends here. Okay, then you're going to take your soap fill, screw it onto this piece right here, like that. And then you have this piece right here which attaches to the front right there as well. So you can put your soap in here, and then you can also adjust your flow or the amount of soap that actually comes out whenever you're spraying. That's very cool. So this right here. Just like that. So if I want to unplug that one for now and I want to put it on a different fan beam, you can see this is a 15-degree spray. This one is a 25-degree spray, 40-degree, and that's just pretty much a straight little laser. If you want to really get something off, just like that, and then to attach your hose, you just screw that on right here like that. So the packaging included 4 bolts, as well as a bunch of anchors. I'm not going to use the anchors because I'm going straight into that big piece of lumber, and we'll use the bolts. So to go ahead and put it in place now, let's get the pressure washer over here and get it hung, okay? So they give you this cool little length of hose, and they have this little piece right here with the little screen filter that you would screw on to the end of the pressure washer right here, and then this will screw on to this end right here, and then this end goes to your water hose. So let's go ahead and get that connected, all right? You all know I absolutely love quick connects, so I'm going to use a quick connect here on this side of the hose, all right? We got a quick connect, and we're going to plug our hose in. The water is not currently on to turn it on. I simply have to twist this, and then water will probably start spraying out of here. See what happens there. We go, okay, so the next step is to connect the hose to the bottom of the wand with a sprayer. There we go. I believe every car owner needs this pressure washer. Super convenient, super clean. And as you can see, it did a great job on our driveway as well. So what about cleaning windows? What kind of results do you get? That definitely makes it quicker, and what I like is all the dirt that hides in the corners is all gone. That's going to do it for this video. Hopefully it will be useful for you. If you want to pick up one of these for yourself, check out the link. It will take you to Giraffetools website. You could buy it right there.